is one of the best in the world. Just to remind you, you can't go around with garlic, guys. Okay? So let's get the kettle and let's put some hot water in the kettle so you guys can run up and down. Alright, so 1 cup of hot water. We don't make too much neither. Roughly about 1.5 cups of hot water. Alright, make sure you guys can see exactly what's going on. The main ingredients in this is the garlic. So if you're not using the garlic, you're not saying nothing. So you have to make sure you use the garlic, because that's one of the main ingredients into this water this evening. Good vibes. Ginger. Alright, we're gonna put some ginger into the water. That's the ginger, alright? Green apple. Alright, you have to put the green apple into the water. Alright. Garlic is a must. Alright, so we have to put the garlic into it like this, okay? That's why we use a lot of garlic. Get a copy of the book. It's on Amazon and it is a 50% off at the moment. Alright, so all of these ingredients together, cook it for a couple of minutes and drink the liquid, guys. Okay? Here it is. Yeah. So please don't waste the time. Get in the kitchen. Okay, you guys can get all of these ingredients. You can't tell me you can't get them. You can't get these ingredients. Yeah. These ingredients are in the supermarket looking at me and you. So please get into the supermarket and get these ingredients. Good vibes. We love you guys. You guys are amazing, beautiful people, man. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for just keep coming on the show over and over, sharing the beautiful love. And yeah, man, you guys are amazing. Yeah. J. Yeah, man. Don't delete that. Keep it. Alright, what you mean? You already done steady love already? Yeah, a good vibes. Yes, thank you so much. I appreciate every one of you guys this evening. Look at that. Alright, so this is green apple and garlic with a piece of a ginger inside of it. Alright, now all of these ingredients, you want to cook them. Okay? Remember to get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It's available on Amazon, 50% off. Now what you want to do, drink this 1 in the morning, all right, and 1 in the evening before bedtime. You can also make it like tonight and leave 1 till in the morning. Make 1 in the morning, leave 1 till in the night. Do it other ways around. Okay, beautiful recipe. garlic, ginger, and green apple, and water. Big up on yourself. Me love you all. Alright, a good vibes. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, guys. Yeah. That is fantastic. And an amazing recipe. Because you can't find that in the supermarket, guys. You have to make that at home. Okay? Yeah, man. A good vibes. Let me know what you guys think about my recipe. Yeah. Perfect for weight loss. Green apple, ginger, and garlic. Secret doctor never tells. So you guys can see. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn off the cooker. Now I'm gonna make it boil up too much. Yeah. Yeah. So you guys can see exactly what's going on right there. Get all of that flavor from it. That is amazing. Guys, if you know what is this, you guys will be like, oh, Chef Ricardo, I've never seen this before. Thank you so much. Yeah. But it is beautiful. Yeah. You're welcome. Big up all the people who's supporting me. All right, more big up yourself. Thank you so much. Every one of you guys this evening. Really appreciate it, guys. You guys are amazing, man. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much for that support. You guys are a superstar. Yeah. You're welcome. This sounds good. I need to get some garlic. Definitely. Jen, get some garlic, man. I can't go wrong with the garlic. I've been using it for a whole week. One whole week I've been using garlic. Yeah, so tonight we now play and we debug on garlic. So much garlic we've been using this week. It was amazing. Yeah. Yeah, man. What does this mixture do for your body? If you want to lose weight and detoxing the body, this is good for you. Weight and detoxing the body. This is a very powerful drink and help to reduce your inflammation in your gut. Definitely, 100%. If you are looking for something very healthy and powerful, Google it. You can Google it, you know. Do a little bit of research on it, guys. Okay? Yeah, man. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So, green apple with ginger and garlic. This is, you can't go wrong with garlic. Not only that, it's just gonna just help you to, even the garlic alone gonna help you in so many different ways. All right, when you take a good look at this, especially green apple. Green apple has so much health benefit, guys. It's unbelievable. So you can do a little bit of research if you guys like to. It is just one of those fantastic recipe what you guys are looking for to drink at night. All right, beautiful one. Honestly, it's fantastic. It's on Amazon. Okay, drink one in the morning, night. As you guys can see, excellent recipe. 100% you guys will love this. All right, garlic and ginger with green apple. Green apple is good to detox the body. Get rid of that, some of that. Sometimes I just eat, I never run out of apple. I always have apple in my car. Because sometimes I just make sure, wash it off and just eat an apple. And I eat that for the day for Chef Ricardo. Because apple, you can't go wrong with green apple or red apple. Those are very good stuff for your immune system. So I always have those fruits in my house. And I always try to keep them because they are very good. Yeah. You can't go wrong with those things, guys. Yeah. Can't go wrong with apple at home. Apple, number one. You're more than welcome. Powerful one. Very, very powerful. Okay, now we're going to take it off the heat. Alright, just going to take it off of the heat. Make it rest for a little bit. Not even rest because it get late. You know, it's get later now. And, you know, people have to work. People have to go to bed. People have to sleep. All sorts of things are going on. People have to go to bed early tonight. Gonna expect something very good tonight. So yeah, leave your comments if I'm telling the truth. I mean, yeah, good vibes. So people, you see exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about in the kitchen. Detoxing, weight loss, looking after the body, feel good, sleep good, all sort of tea. Tomorrow night we're gonna make banana ripe. What do you call it? Double ripe banana. I don't even remember what they call it. Tea. We're gonna make that one because that one is a very good one for you guys to drink at home. Alright. Breaking news. The book is available on Amazon. Okay. Now, the beautiful thing about this book, guys, you need to get the book in audio. The book in audio, guys, very amazing in the audio. You guys want to listen to the audio. The audio sounds so amazing and fantastic. All right. The book is in audio. Many people say they love it. I don't know if you guys ever tried the audio before. Try the audio. It sounds like you're thinking in a theater room watching a movie. Okay, now it's a beautiful. Thank you so much for your support. Really appreciate it. You don't know the thing already. It's all about love, happiness, joy, and peace. Loving you to the bits of my heart. And every day we pray for you guys. All right, we're just not even just talking in the kitchen because we love to talk. Anything we talk, we mean it. Okay. Yeah, we just don't do things because we wanted to say things in the kitchen. Yeah, the audio is amazing. Get the audio, John. You might love the audio. You're gonna surprise. You're gonna think you're in a theater watching a movie. All right? Yeah. People, it's all about love, nothing else. If you're not show love right now, you need to wake up. All right? Because these are the time we're talking about love. Okay, let's pour off this beautiful cup of tea. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna pour it off. All right. So we got green apple, garlic, and ginger tea tonight. Beautiful cup of tea to keep you amazing. Look at that. Fantastic, beautiful, lovely, and an amazing. Now, the rest of this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour. Let me show you what I normally do. And trust me, in the morning, before I do anything, I just come in the kitchen after I brush my teeth and everything, and just warm it up and drink it. So this is what I'm going to do. and pour a little bit of hot water on it. Okay. And then sleep it till in the morning. Okay, on your cooker, not in your fridge or your freezer. Just right here, sir. And in the morning, you just warm it up and drink it. Trust me. If you do that, please come back and leave your comments. If you don't do it, that means that you know me no good. All right, straight up. Yeah. All right. So I hate that. So far, a good vibes. Then this, I'm gonna be drinking this before I go to my bed tonight. Garlic and ginger and green apple. Very good. I don't want to lose any weight or detoxing or anything, but I'm always drinking healthy teas. But very good for the immune system. Help to reduce inflammation from build up inside of your body. All right. So that is beautiful and that looking good.